Petition for non-immigrant workers. I-129. Okay. This form is used by an employer to petition U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service (USCIS) for an alien beneficiary to come temporarily to USA as a non-immigrant to perform service or labor or to receive training. Form I-129 consists of basic petition, individual supplements relating to specific classification, and H-1B data collection. Now, this form had two parts. First of all, Part 1 classification that always require a petition, and classification that requires petition only if the beneficiary is already in United States and requesting an extension of stay or a change of status. So, this is the form. Let's start filling the form. Petitioner information: who is applying for this form I-129. So we have write the legal name, company name, mailing address, contact information, and email. Now information about this petition. Requested non-immigrant classification. Which type of classification? We can see the instruction for filing I-29 from I-129 from here. So there is the classification which require petition. So there are number of classification. So we are asking for H-1B visa. Now what is the basis of classification? We have to select only one out of this. So we are applying for the new employment. Provide most recent petition application receipt number of the beneficiary. If there is none, then I've selected none. Now out of this A to F, we have to select one part. Request section. So we have selected notify the office in part 4. So each beneficiary can obtain a visa or be admitted. Total numbers of workers included in this petition 2. Now beneficiary information. Information about the beneficiaries you are filing for. Complete the block. Use the attachment 1 sheet to add each name. Okay. So provide the name of the beneficiary. We have provided the name of the beneficiary, and other beneficiary we have already given a 2. We have added other one also. Other information we have provided here. Now beneficiary information, alien registration number. If you have already provided that form, then we can add the alien registration number from here. Their address. And if the beneficiary is in the United States, we have to fill these details. And if the beneficiary or beneficiaries is or outside the United States, we are filling these details. So all the details, address and address, processing information, we have to provide this checkbox. Are you filling any other petition with this? Are you filing any application for replacement or initial I-94? Are you filling any applications for dependent with this petition? No. Is any beneficiary in this petition is removal proceedings? No. Have you ever filed an immigrant petition? Yes. If you have filed any immigrant petition for other employer, then we can put here the quantity. Okay, I'll put randomly. Did you indicate that you were filing a new petition in part 2? Yes. So these are the options we have to fill accordingly and proceed further. Basic information about the proposed employment and employer. So what will be the job title of this worker? Okay. And what will the address? If the address is different from the address stated in part 1, then we have to state it here. I have not stated as the address is the same. Now, did you include any itinerary, any beneficiaries, wages, what will be the wages, and other compensation we have to include. Now, dates of intended employment, starting and end date, type of the business will be this, and currently how many number of employees in the United States, what is the gross total income and net annual income of that entity. And part 6, certificate regarding the release of control technology or technical data to foreign person in United States. This section of the form is required only for H-1B. H-1B 1 Child, Singapore, L1 and OIA petition. Now part 7 we have declared like declaration, signature and contact information of the petitioner. And part 8 declaration, signature and contact information of the person preparing form if other than the petitioner. Prepares declaration, signature and date of signing. And part 9 additional information. If anything like if we are not able to fill any details in above forms and it requires special attention or need more space, we can fill the data here. So this is the form I-9 from part 1 to part 9.